ever wondered why Hinduism has so many gods? It's not about worshipping different being, but understanding one ultimate reality, Parbrahm. Parbrahm is the infinite formless divine. The many gods and goddesses are just the different expression of that one truth. Brahma creates, Vishnu preserves, Shiva transforms, Lakshmi brings prosperity, Saraswati inspires knowledge. Each deity represents different aspect of life, helping us connect with the divine in ways we understand. Think it like the ocean. Every wave is different, but the part of same vast water. It's not many gods, it's one truth seen in many forms, a philosophy of unity in diversity. In the end, all paths are lead to the same divine source.